You see this? This is going to be my little walk around robe dressy thing. You know, I'm always in a robe, so I figure I'll make something. I thought that this fabric was really cute. Look at that. Yeah. So, you guys see, I'm going to cut it out. As next step, we want to get the arms. If you guys see, I took the shirt and put it on the sleeve so I can get the accurate curve. And this way, guys, is going where it needs to scratch from right to left, not up and down. So, and then you put the length, and then if you want a wider sleeve, you make it wider. If you want a tighter sleeve, then you make it tighter. So right now, this is what I'm going with, and I'm gonna cut out 2 of these, guys. Alrighty. I have all of my pieces. So this is going to be the belt. If you guys can see, it is going to have pockets. And those are the sleeves, guys. And up here, just cut an additional piece so that when it's flipped over, you don't see the just this inside of it, guys. So alrighty then, I'm gonna put this, I say it's a robe, you know, together, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. Thank you, Gino. Bye-bye, guys. So here's the finishing result of this draped little robe, jacket, coat, dress, whatever. You guys know I'm always, majority of 99.9 when you guys see me, I'm always in my robe. So once I get home, and I always put on something comfortable. I think that is a something that all black mamas, from being a little girl, we get home, you automatically got to get out of your clothes. So I think it's just repetition from doing that over the years, that once I get home, I cannot stand to have on clothes. So that's why you guys always see me in a robe. And a lot of the work that I do, I get to do it from home. So it don't require for me to have to dress up. So that's why you guys always see me in a robe. So I say, maybe I can get some fabric and kind of mimic it of like a robe, and then I can be comfortable in it. So I just wanted to bring this to you guys' attention. I'm gonna turn off the light, and I like the sparkle on this one. I think the next one, I got the other fabric, guys. I'm gonna do it like a wrap dress. Therefore it'll close more down here, like cut it like a wrap dress. So yes, guys, but it is very, very pretty. So I wanted to show you guys. This is the other fabric that I have. So I was going to make this out of one too. So see how pretty that is, guys? So this is the next one, guys, that I'm going to do. And it'll be like, you know, more like, I guess, something like this. So it won't look such like a robe. So alrighty, guys. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye. Okay, guys. Here go a couple still shot of these lounge dresses, robes, whatever you want to call them. So if you, like me, spend a lot of time in the house working from home and don't want to waste your clothes, make some lounge robe dresses or whatever you want to call them. Alrighty.